Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good. If you are new here, kindly feel welcome. Today's recipe is peanut butter sauce, Ugandan peanut butter sauce and silver fish. So guys, let's cook. Use this to make the paste. So here with me I have red onions, I have tomatoes, I have the green bell pepper, curry powder. So guys, let's cook. Paste that we have. So I have the peanut butter paste. This paste I just bought it from the supermarket. You can see it is packed because this is what I prepared. And I have red onions here with me. I have chopped tomatoes and green bell pepper. I also have salt to taste. So for the spice that I'm going to use, I'm just going to use the curry powder. So guys, let's cook. And this is the pan where I'm going to use. So I'm just going to add the paste into the pan. I'm going to boil the paste until it reduces some oil. So I'll keep stirring the paste in the pan. I'll stir until it reduces oil. Guys, as you know, groundnut has oil. It's just going to produce its oil. So I'll just keep on stirring my paste. You can see it has started producing some oil. So in this case now, you can just add little water to it. Just add some little water to it as you stir. Continue stirring as you add the water bit by bit. Continue stirring. You can see the more it's heating, the more it's producing some oil. You just add water bit by bit. Now, unlike other style like now, in Kenya, Luo community, we first add in water, we mix it with the hot water first before we put it in the pan. But Ugandan style, they put the paste in a hot pan as they stir, adding water bit by bit. So guys, this is the texture as at the moment, and you can see oil is just coming out from it. And guys, it has a lot of oil, so I'll just continue stirring as I add in the water. I'll continue stirring. Just stir as if you're making porridge. This is the Ugandan peanut butter sauce. The way it's boiling, if you start seeing some oil coming up, we are going to add in now the other ingredients. So I'll add in onions as I stir. I'll mix it well in there with little water. So guys, the heat has to be medium. Medium hot, not medium hot, so that it doesn't stick on the pan. So you continue stirring as you add the water. So the next ingredient that I'm going to put in are the tomatoes. You add all this as you add in water. Remember, we are not going to use oil or vegetable oil in this recipe due to the groundnut oil. It produces its own oil. So you continue stirring. And remember another thing, guys, that the Kenyan recipe of this paste, we use a lot of milk, both fresh and sour milk. But for Ugandans, there is nothing like that. We don't use, we just only use water. So I'm just going to add the green pepper there. To it. Whenever you add in an ingredient, you add in some little water to avoid the paste from sticking into the pan. Now, here we add now the spice. The only spice that I told you that I was going to use is the curry powder. I just add just half teaspoon of curry powder. Now, little bit of salt. That's just almost 3/4 of a teaspoon. So this you can see the texture, and you can feel some tomatoes in the ingredient that I put. So this guy I'm just going to simmer in as we cook this ingredient. So next thing, we're just going to add water once more, just a little water, and let it boil until we see some oil coming on top of the sauce. And once you see the oil coming in, that's when we are going to add in some silverfish, fried silverfish. Just remember, don't put in silverfish which is fresh or which is cooked, but fried one. So already I have fried silverfish. I'm just waiting for this sauce to cook and produce some oil. So I'll just cover it. So guys, you can see it's bubbling, and you can see now it's producing oil. So the next thing now is now to add this silverfish. Now this is the silverfish, and guys, if you can see, it is already fried. So you just add in some silverfish to it. Just add some silverfish to it. So this is the Uganda style of making peanuts butter sauce. So since the silverfish is already cooked for you, just let it cook for just about 5 minutes. So back to my peanut butter sauce, guys, and you can see now oil has just settled up, meaning my sauce is ready. Peanut sauce is ready. So this is just done. So you're just going to serve it with the Ugandan portion. This is Ugandan peanut sauce with silver fish.